A working fire has been declared for box 4233, location 2889 California Street between Divisadero and Broderick. Additional units due, Engine 5, RC2, respond on Control Channel 2 and TAC Channel 14. Engine 5, you are repeating. A working fire has been declared for box 4233. Location is 2899 California between Divisadero and Broderick.
Control, this is Battalion 4. Be advised, this is a quarter church is under construction. We've got smoke showing from the peak. More to follow.
Battalion 4, copy.
On June 29, 2026, at 1:30 p.m., the San Francisco Fire Department responded to 5 separate 911 calls reporting a structure fire at the intersections of California and Broderick Street. Fire units on scene responded in less than 3 minutes from initial dispatch and confirmed smoke coming from a traditional church. Crews initiated an aggressive interior fire attack, and that fire escalated quickly to a third alarm. Over 100 firefighters responded to the scene. Several challenges were met, including the building's age, open spaces, and voids typical of structures from that era. Firefighters utilized advanced technologies such as drone-mounted thermal imaging cameras to assist our interior attack. However, as conditions worsened, we shifted to a defensive fire attack. By 9:10 p.m., the fire was declared under control, with no reported injuries or major displacements of residents. The fire is currently under investigation by the San Francisco Fire Department Investigation Task Force.